Recently, we've been encountering more issues and questions about people's 1450 outlets inside their house. Whether that just be a brand new house or they just got it installed and it doesn't power their 1450 appliances or adapters. So why is that? What's the issue? Stick around to find out what. First off, if your appliance or adapter does not work with your 1450 outlet, don't immediately blame the adapter or the appliance. More often than not, it is actually the outlet that is the culprit. And there could be a couple reasons for that. One of the biggest ones is you're getting it, or if you moved into a house, somebody installed it for EV charging, and the electrician left out the neutral to either save costs or because the EV doesn't require it. And so you moved into the house and now there's no neutral connection. Or the neutral connection has just come loose, or the hot connection has just come loose, and so it's not powering your appliances or adapters. So to find out if the outlet is actually the culprit, you'll need a multimeter. And don't worry, these are inexpensive. They're 10 to 15 bucks a piece. You want to make sure you have one with longer pins. And then once you have these, once you have the multimeter, you want to make sure to set it to AC voltage. And that will look just like a V with kind of a little squiggly over it. That's AC voltage. Plus, those are always handy to just have around the house to diagnose other simple electrical issues. So once you have all that together, you can get started on diagnosing the problem. So looking at the 1450 outlet, you'll see 4 terminals. Starting at the top, you have a ground, 2 hots, and a neutral. Each hot should be between 110 to 125 volts. Take that measurement, put one pin in the neutral and the other pin in the hot, like this. And you'll get 120. And then to test the other one, you do the same thing. And you get 120. If the meter shows nothing, then the neutral is not hooked up at all. If it shows below 110 volts, then the neutral or hot is either loose or hooked up incorrectly. This needs to be addressed by an electrician. So then if you do hot and hot together, you should get between 200 to 250 volts. And so that is why this outlet is designated as 125/250 volts. Because with the neutral hooked up properly, you get one leg of 125 and another one. So if it's not hooked up properly, you will only get 220. Okay, but if it's hooked up, you can power 125 volt appliances with this outlet. To check if the ground is hooked up correctly, touch the pins of the multimeter to the ground and neutral terminal, just like this. It should read 0. If it shows anything else, you have some problems. Ground carries no electricity. So if you do one of the hots to the ground, you should get 120 because the ground completes the circuit. And the same applies for the other hot. So if you do find out that you have issues with your 1450 outlet, it's best to not use it until it's fixed. And you have to get an electrician to come and fix it to make sure either the hots are all tight or the neutral is actually installed. So if you have any questions about this, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe and like this video to see more content like it. Thank you for watching.